Sherif, welcome.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
How would you describe our start to the season?
We started very slow, but as we keep working hard and we got our momentum and we started getting our wins, and we are working hard to make our supporters proud.
Mm. A lot of the view that they are seeing the old Sherif in your first season with Kotoko. And the criticisms that came last season was that you were performing so poor. First of all, would you admit that last season was worse, wasn't the best?
Yeah, I'll admit that because I've been out for a long time. I got an injury last season, so I was out for a couple of months. So as coming back, I should pick up slowly before I get myself back. But now that I can fully tell I'm very fit, 100%, and I'm ready to give my best more than I did last 2 years.
Okay. You had your first goal for the club against Baby Eagle Stars. Unfortunately, we couldn't come out victorious in that game. Were you pleased to have scored that goal, and did you have that mindset that once you've gotten the goal, definitely we were coming with a victory or at least a point? And how did the whole scenario, how did you take the whole defeat? And
Yeah, my first goal, I didn't know how to jubilate because I was like, I didn't expect it, but it came. But and secondly, I wasn't happy because we couldn't get a point or win there. So the goal wasn't that much important to me because I wanted it to be a goal that will give us a point or a win over there. But as I've scored my first goal, I'm very happy, and I know there are more to come this season.
how frustrating was it for you as a group, looking at the series of draws and the defeats that came along? Supporters were not happy. So how was it? Was it very frustrating for you? Because for us as supporters, we were losing it at some point.
It was very frustrating because some of us we are the senior players in the team, so we're very frustrated. At some point, like, we're discouraged, but we kept working hard and encouraging each other. Yes, we know that we can be there, we are above that, and we are more than that. So we have the quality, everything. So we kept working hard until we started winning our matches.
Sometimes when things are not going on so well for you, do you see some of the comments, especially on social media, and how do you guys react to some of these comments, and how do you take it?
As a player, sometimes you don't have to go there, but you have to go there. Some people speak out of emotions, so you just have to take it like that, but don't take it to heart. It will affect your play. So sometimes you just have to understand them because they are frustrated. They needed a win. Someone coming to support you and you disappoint them twice, they won't feel happy. So you just have to give your best and work out and get the good results for them.
We managed to pick our first 3 points of the season against Accra Lions at the dead of the game. 90 plus 8 minutes, which was almost over. And there comes Sherif with an incisive cross that met the head of Kalu. What was the thinking when you got the ball? Was it something that was rehearsed when you got the ball? Was it something that you planned to do, or it was instinctive? It came as the occasion presented itself.
It's something we practice more of our training. It's something we practice because every time training we do rehearsals on corner kick set pieces, and Carlo is always our main target. So when we got to that point, we all knew that he's going to put the ball into the net when we get the ball to him. So whilst we're running to get the kick, he knew definitely where we're supposed to put the ball to, so he was also there at the right time.
Yeah. Last season you tried a couple of crosses, and personally we were all frustrated how you ballooned the balls and it was wayward. What has changed in the game that you seem to have getting the perfection in terms of the cross? What has changed? What has been the difference?
A lot has changed because doing something consistently, you get perfection there. So at training, every now and then when you go early, try give some crosses at the end of the training to try give some crosses just to get the right technique. So that's how everything changed.
You got it right. Perfect cross met by a perfect header. When you saw the ball at the back of the net, how was the feeling like?
Yeah, when we saw the ball at the back of the net, we knew and we were happy that training has taken place, because something you practice over again and it happened. You'll be very happy because you are learning. So we're all very happy because we knew that the moment we get the ball to Carlo, he's going to put it at the back of the net. So we're all happy because training has taken place and we are learning. It's a sign of improvement.
What should we expect as supporters from you guys? Do you have so much belief in your squad that it's early days yet in the season, but sometimes you see the signs and you know that it's positive? Do you see the same with your team?
We see a good sign in the squad because we have so much quality. But as they say, man will propose and God will dispose. You see, you wish what you want and God will do. But we pray that God should give us our best fitness and we'll win FA Cup, win the league, and go to Africa and make our supporters proud.
You see, this group is made up of a mix of the youngsters, a group that some have not even tasted the Premier League before. Would you say that you guys would need time to gel, or you are now getting the understanding and things will change as the season runs on?
Yeah, as we came new, we are all players, but those who came new, it took us some time to blend with them. But as we are playing, like from match day 4 going on now, we know each other. So now we are blending well, and the new guys and the kids, they are doing well. They are doing well because they have a lot of talent, and every day we keep advising them, guiding them, just for them to explore their talent and get best out of it.
Sherif, this is your third season. What has been the most memorable experience with the club, and as we look forward to clinch another trophy, what will be your message to the fans?
My most memorable event was my first time playing against House of Oak in Accra. I was asking myself, but today am I the one going to play against them? Because that year I watched them play against. I watched Kotoko played against us and they scored Kotoko 1-0 and took the trophy. So the following year too, I was featured. So I was very happy. I can't forget that day. I can't forget it.
Before that time, do you ever dream of playing for Kotoko, and was it something that you thought was going to come in the immediate?
Yeah, I dreamt of playing Kotoko. I had that year before I joined Kotoko. I had to join Kotoko, but it didn't go through because of my club. So the following year I joined Kotoko, and I've always supported Kotoko because the last time they came to Tamale and played FA Cup, we were there on the pitch as second ball boys
in 2017.
And Kotoko scored has 3-0. Asante Kotoko
was it 3-1?
3-1, right? Okay. Yeah, I was there. I fully supported Kotoko. And most of my senior players, because I played Republicans, course, and most of my senior players have played for Kotoko. So I've also dreamed of playing Kotoko, and it has become a reality. So I'm very happy.
So how did you celebrate that victory in Tamale when Kotoko picked the trophy?
Because I was very happy, and you know, the way the team is, you can't go closer to the players. So after the victory, we're all like happy, but you can't go closer to the players because they are highly protected. So you can't go closer to them.
Who was your best player on that day?
Sadiq Adams, because goals, no, he scored the goals and we're all happy because he was very clinical. I can't forget that day.
So do you want to replicate it, maybe get a goal against us when you have the chance?
For sure, this is I'm getting a goal against us, and it's even gonna be a winner. This is I'm gonna get home and away. I'm going to score them.
All right, thanks so much, Sherif.
Yeah, hello guys, this is Mohammed Sherif of Asante Kotoko. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.